What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheng. Nagbabalik na naman ang inyong friendship Cheng na hindi kagandahan pero mag-aaliw sa inyong lahat. So hello mga ka-friendship. Kumusta po kayong lahat? How are you guys? Shout out po sa inyong lahat dyan sa mga ka-friendship out there. Hello! And shout out din pala dyan sa mga kasolid natin there. Hello! Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat sa pag-suporta and keep comments and likes for my videos. Thank you so much mga ka-friendship. And mga kasolid natin there, shout out sa inyong lahat. And shout out din pala dyan sa mga mahal nating OFW. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat po kayo. So our vlogs for today mga ka-friendship is we're here at Charan! So we're here at Grand River Park, Elora Gorge. Ayan. So we're here before na already. Pero yung tinor ko is yung Elora town, na small town. And now we're here at the Elora Gorge Conservation Area. Ayan. So we're gonna go there at the hole in the rock. So let's go because I'm with my mom and with my brother and with my partner, pero hindi po tayo magi-swimming. So magi-scenic view lang po tayo. So let's go. Samahan niyo ako mga guys, mga ka-friendship. So we're here at Elora Gorge. So you have to choose which trails you're gonna go. So we're going to the whole rock. So this is the hole, this is the rock. So you have to go first, and you're gonna go there. Thank you so much. Careful, mom. So she's busy picturing the views. So I'm with my mother today. Ayan, Sunday family. So I'm here at the top. This is the view. Yeah, so this is you're gonna hike there. You're gonna go down there. Actually, there's a stair, so you can go down. It's not like that really hard to go here. So they're swimming. Ayan sila, naliligo sila. But for now, me, I'm not gonna go swim. So you have to go there. So this is they called the whole rock. There you go. Oops. So we're starting now walking again here at the trails of Elora Gorge, Ontario, Canada. Ha? Ano to, mother?
Yung entrance mo pala hanggang falls na yan.
Yeah, doon.
Yeah. Hindi pala na iba din yun. Ano?
Nakag-sandals ako.
Sabi na gano'n.
Yung toms ko.
Nag-sneaker ka na lang. Nag-ahins yun. Converse ka.
It's okay. Just a small town. It's just only a small trail. So we don't need to wear hiking shoes or water shoes because taga-bukid naman tayo. So sanay naman tayo sa tsinelas at minsan nakapaa pa nga umakyat lang sa bukid. So kung naman tayo guys yung ano tawag nga ba dyan? Ano nga tawag dyan? Sa isang tao na cowboy ano?
Taga-Bundo?
Oo na.
Grand Valley? Diba? Yung river na to, papunta yung Grand Valley. Doon yun na ano yung bata na namatay, diba? Yung Grand River na, asa Grand Valley.
So you're just gonna follow this fence. You're not gonna lost because there's the fence is here. So just continue follow this fence and then it's all the way go. So this is the small falls too. So you can swim whether you like it or not, but make your own risk. Yun nga lang. So we're here at the bridge. Ayan, so that you can view the running water of the lakes too. Or they call the lake waterfall. Na tayo all the way up. Going to the tubing launch area or group site. So you can go for camp or swimming. Ayan. So para makita natin ang views doon, punta tayo doon sa taas. So let's go. Ayan. So we're walking. Si Mother nakijoin na rin sa aming hiking, walking trail.
Exercise.
Yan. So exercise naman, di ba?
Kaya hindi na mag-walk.
So hindi naman kailangan.
Jog walk.
Oh, yan, my mother. O, di ba? My mom is going the flow rin pag malakas pa si mother.
Kaya yun din mag-ligo.
So for now, we're not gonna go for swimming. Marami kasing taong pumupunta dito. So marami talaga nag-i-swimming. So hindi maganda kasi naka-social distancing pa rin nga tayo lahat. So pinipili lang natin yung place na wala masyadong tao at pwede mag-swimming. So dito sa may Elora Gorge, so bukas na kasi. So marami nagka-camping. Ang init na. There's water here. Yan, pwede kayo mag-refill or maghugas. Pero hindi gumagana, walang tubig. Avoid COVID. Attention Tubers Launch. Ayan. So we're just going around and just going down there.
White t-shirt na donors. Tapos, parang inaano niya. Tapos naka-shorts ng
So there's another stairs going down there. So marami talaga nag-i-swimming. So hindi safe masyado. So we're here now. Look at that. So there's lots of people. So ayan sila lahat. So magkuha-kuha ng sariling photo pose. Ayan. Halos lahat nagpipicturan para makuha lang yung Instagrammable shot. So we're here at Elora Gorge. Ayan. Look at that lady, naka-two-piece, naka-swimsuit. Wow. So they are. Ayan. So guys, mga ka-friendship, this is they call the first area of the Elora Gorge. So this is the first view. And then all the way there, So yung itong bird, hindi siya talaga nawawala-wala sa video ko. Kasi kahit saan-saan, hanggang sa makikita. Ayan na naman siya. So, that's cool. More adventure. Look! Woo! Oh my God! See? So doon na banda is talagang malalim yung doon na banda. So yan yung other one. Let's see. So that they call tubing. That's it. So it's a nice adventure, guys. Nakita nyo naman yon. So we're just, pwede po kayo dito maglakad-lakad sa gilid lang. So we're just gonna walk here. So ayan yung mga Chinese and mga ibang lahi. Super swimsuit sila mga guys, mga ka-friendship kasi super Instagrammable din sila. Oh, ayan. So some they did swimming. There is some holes na meron talagang malalalim na part. Ayan. So they're enjoying swimming. So hindi ko feel yung mag-swimming kaya wala tayong munang swimming vlog dito kasi hindi talaga siya masyadong safe. But it's nice, it looks good. There's a lot of many netizens going here just to make Instagrammable shoot, capture any pictures kasi malinaw din yung tubig and the water is really clear. So this is the tubing area of the Elora Gorge. So there's a small hole here. Look at that. It's still really cool because look, there's a hole too, and then there's water. So that area, hindi na ako doon makakross mga ka-friendship kasi wala nga akong water shoes. So hanggang dito lang ako. Ayan, kasi merong ibang views pa. So doon pa sa dulo. So we're not ready. So that's them all. Ayan. So this is the last part. So look at them mga ka-friendship mga guys. Ayun sila. Yung nasa dulo. Yun yung sabi ko na kailangan talaga mag-extra close kasi talaga you have to cross that area. So mababasa ka talaga. So nag-decide na kami talaga mag-exit kasi wala kami dalang extra clothes. And my brother hindi nakapag-pigil, nagtampisaw din. Kumuha, tanggal na kanyang shoes para makapagtampisaw. Ayan siya. So ayan sila. See, that area, mga ka-friendship mga guys, I'm telling you guys na kailangan talaga ready talaga. Kasi mapapasama ka talaga na mag-swimming. Pero kung na marami talaga nag-swimming, so ayoko rin. See, even my mom, nagtapasaw na rin siya. Kasi I told them na nagstay talaga ako for 15 minutes dun sa gitna para pa-cool down lang ng aking paa. Kasi iba talaga pag nakapagtampisaw ka lang dito. Ayan. The water is nice. It's like therapy water. Fish pa. Charot. Yeah. So look at that, even talagang mag-cross ka sa dyan na banda, talagang very careful talaga kasi dyan na part talaga, dyan sa may dito na part, talagang may hole na circle na palalim pababa. So talagang watch ka talaga sa mga dinadaanan mo kasi biglaan ka na lang na bababa. Oh, look at that. The water was so really clear. Ayan, ang linaw-linaw talaga ng tubig dito. Ayan. So maganda rin mag-swim. Pero hindi siya talaga carry lang. See? So nice. It's cool. Ang ganda ng place. So this is the place of they called Elora Gorge Conservation Area. Ayan. So the water is really clear. Kita niyo naman yung mga ka-friendship. Mga guys, look at that. The water is really clear. Even if you can still see it, right? So that area in there sa dulo is, so hindi na tayo pwede makapunta. So we decided to exit because wala tayong dalang extra clothes. We don't have extra clothes because I'm with my mom and I'm with my brother. So they don't have extra clothes too. They didn't bring. So andoon na kasi na area talagang magtatampisaw ka na. Talagang magpapabasa ka doon. So ayun, hanggang dito na lang po tayo. So hopefully guys, that na-enjoy ko kayo sa aking mini tour Elora Gorge Conservation Area. Ayan. Kahit ako gusto ko na rin sana mag-swimming kasi go naman ako. Pero wala eh. So ayun na mga guys, thank you so much for keep watching and like and comment for my videos. And also sa mga kasolid natin there, hello, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po sa pag-support nyo. And also shoutout din pala dyan sa mga family back home in the Philippines, sa mga Del Castillo family, hello sa inyong lahat. Shoutout. Ayan, God bless you all. So mga guys, yung mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the like button. And don't forget to leave a comment. And also especially don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-update ko po kayo sa ating mga next videos. Ayan. So we're gonna go back there. Go back guys. So there's a whole cave here, you can chill here. There, look at that. And we're gonna exit now.
Hindi naman lasa. Kasi lang tapos dito.